Greetings YouTube, Lion Unleashed here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today we have a question for all of our current subscribers and anyone who may be viewing our channel at this time. On yesterday, we had a neighbor cleaning along their fence line to actually give us a small tree or shrub or flower, and we're not quite sure what it is. They weren't quite sure what it was, but they were actually in the process of cleaning along their fence line, and they were going to chop it down. But knowing that we just recently started a gardening channel here next door, they kindly offered us this plant. And again, we're not quite sure what it is, so we're going to give you guys a quick look at it. And if there's anyone out there currently viewing this channel who can tell us what this is, we really would appreciate it. Hang tight. All right, YouTube. Take a quick look at this right here and tell me if you guys can, by looking at this plant, tell me exactly what it is. Again, we're not quite sure what this plant is. These tassels or little blooms were already on it when we transplanted it, they actually seem to be either new leaves like this or either some type of blossom. But again, we're not quite sure exactly what this plant is, and we need you guys' help. So if there's anybody out there currently subscribed to our channel or currently viewing this channel via the YouTube gardening community here, please comment in the comment section below and let us know what this is, because again, we have no idea what it is, but we did think that it looked quite beautiful, so we gladly accepted it and planted it here in our front yard. Thanks for watching, guys. If you'd like to see in this video, please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button at the bottom of the screen so that you will be notified every time we upload new video content. Thanks.